Hello and thanks for joining us here at Tesco Specialty Vehicles. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use your vehicle's Dometic Air Conditioning system. Remember that this video is not intended to take the place of your vehicle's owner's manual. Tesco Bus and Tesco Specialty Vehicles are not liable for any damage or injury incurred from the improper use or operation of your vehicle and its equipment, as this video is for informational purposes only. When using your vehicle for its day-to-day operations, the comfort of climate control can go a long way. This will be thanks to your Dometic Air Conditioning system. Before you are able to use the system, you will first want to turn on your battery cutoff switch, enabling power to the vehicle body and accessories. For more information on finding and using your battery cutoff switch, you can refer to our cutoff switch help video. Once the cutoff switch is on, you will then want to enable a source of power. This will have to be either your generator or shore power, but never both. Keep in mind before enabling any new power source that the AC and heat systems should be turned off, as to avoid tripping your power breaker upon startup. Once your power is on, then you'll turn on your inverter. For more information, you can refer to our help videos on the generator, shore power, and power inverter. Attempting to use your AC without these power sources may cause a fault in your inverter. This is due to the AC control panel running off of chassis power, but the actual AC units themselves require dedicated sources of power to function. These units draw too much power to be able to function off the battery. Therefore, the generator and shore power allow it to run. Once power is enabled and the inverter is turned on, locate your Dometic control panel. The most common models featured on our units are the two shown here. The older model on the left, which is whiter and white in color, and the newer model on the right, which is more compact and gray in color. The functionality of both is generally, but not entirely, the same. We'll start with the newer gray model. This unit will allow you to adjust and set climate for the zone the panel is located in, as it controls one zone at a time. Touch the power or mode button once to activate the panel and once more to turn it on. Once it's on, you'll be in its fan speed selection mode. Here you can select from high, low, and auto fan speeds. Touch the mode button again to go into your temperature selection. It will automatically enable air conditioning in this mode, shown by the icon where it says cool. Here you can select your desired temperature via the directional buttons on the right-hand side, going up or down in 1-degree increments with each touch of the buttons. Pressing the mode button again will switch to the furnace mode on the display, but this will not enable heat. As a matter of fact, the heater is an entirely separate system, with its own thermostat and all. Check out our separate help video on your vehicle's heating for more information. Touching the mode button one last time will then turn the system off. The older panel functions a little differently. While it does offer the same features as the newer panel, it also features multi-zone controls and clock settings. Pressing the power button will light up the panel, but to enable the panel, press the power button again. The panel will light up and you will be able to select your zones. Zone 1 being its normal default zone setting. Pressing the mode button will cycle through the different modes. On our panel here, this ranges between cool and the fan. If you need to reset a fault code or detect new units, with the panel turned off, you can hold down the zone and mode buttons until the display changes as shown here. This will clear any of your fault codes and allows the panel to detect any new connected zones. Each zone on the panel will represent a controllable air conditioning unit. However, detecting new units may take a few minutes. Once this is done, press the power button to back out of this mode. The fan button allows you to select 4 different speed settings, from low, medium, High and Auto. Holding down the inside temp button will display the current temperature inside your vehicle. And the up and down buttons, of course, allow you to adjust temperature settings in 1-degree increments to your desired setting. The clock button will allow you to set and change the clock settings, which works in conjunction with your program button, which utilizes the set time to turn the system on and off depending on your setting. Once you're done using either thermostat, turn your panel off before powering off your vehicle's body. Note that once the panel is turned off, you may still hear the AC running. It can take up to around 5 minutes for it to shut off after turning the panel off. Wait until the system is completely off before disabling your power source, as to not throw a fault code on your inverter. And that is how to use your vehicle's Dometic air conditioning system. If you have any questions or concerns regarding your specialty vehicle and the equipment on board, give us a call at 855-376-9797, shoot us an email at support@tescosv.com, or visit the Help Center on our website, where you can submit a contact form. For all of your specialty vehicle and equipment needs, choose Tesco Specialty Vehicles for our proven quality and trusted name. Call, click, or visit today. Thanks for watching.